Hello everyone, this is JP Baconator here, and today I will be going over a Haswell build in the Phoenix Prodigy. Now this is a $700 build, well under $700, and it will be able to handle some video editing too. It will be including a i5 4570, not the K because this case has not the greatest airflow ever, and I'd rather not overclock, and it saves 20 bucks, so that's great. Then it will also include a 7850. An AMD HC7850 by XFX, and we'll go into that later. So let's get started. Of course, the case is the Phoenix Prodigy Arctic White I picked, and that's $90 from Newegg. So I thought that was perfect. It's a mini ITX, so everything in here, but it does not have any real big disadvantage besides airflow, so you can't really overclock. So now the Intel Core i5 4570, it is the Haswell version of the 4570, which I always loved that CPU. So compared to the 4570, or the 3570K, it has some slightly better performance, which is great because it's about the same price. Prices fluctuate, of course, and the 3570 will go down. It does beat the 8350 in like single core performance by a lot, but in performance the 8350 does beat it. So lots of people wanted to know that. Now onto the GPU, the graphics brain. It is the Radeon HD 7850, which you can get it off of Newegg, the XFX double dissipation, which is the double fans, for $169.99, which I think that's a great deal for this graphics card. It is a 1 GB of GDDR5 memory, so that will be perfect for just about any game in the future. If you want to pay the extra 20 bucks for games that will be coming in the next couple of years, we'll start taking advantage of 2 GB of GDDR5, so that will be great. Yeah, so double dissipation is the double fans, and that does not quite have double the dissipation, so not quite, doesn't quite slash the heat down the middle, but that'll be great if you want to do some slight overclocking on your GPU, if that's your favorite thing ever. But the motherboard isn't the best. It isn't very good for overclocking, but it is mini ITX, and it doesn't give any other main disadvantages besides airflow. So yeah, it's an ASRock B85M. It's a mini ITX. It's LGA 1150, which is what should work with our 4570. So that will be perfect. This motherboard has 2 DIMM slots, which the 2 DIMM slots it'll be good for 8 GB, and also later on you could have 2 8, so you could have 16 if you really want to, but 8 GB is enough for gaming and more. So if you're going to run a whole bunch of things in the background, it'll still work with 8 GB. Lots of people think you need 16 or 32, but you do not. Next, I will go over the RAM. I went with Corsair Vengeance 8 GB, 2x4. So you have to take care of. You should have the 2 DIMMs to take advantage of dual DIMMs, which is faster. That is perfect for our build. Yeah, this is $77, which isn't the best price for what you're getting. But you guys can search around. I'll also have upgrades for things in the description. Next is the power supply. It's a Corsair Builder Series, 430 watts, just because I wanted to save the 10 or 20 bucks, keep it under 700. Yeah, this will be perfect. It won't leave that much room for expandability. So yeah. DVD drive. Just a DVD drive, nothing fancy. You can get a Blu-ray if you want, if you for some reason haven't skipped the Blu-ray era, in which I don't think it actually was an era. I haven't used a Blu-ray, I'm pretty sure, ever. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This totals out to $675, which is not that bad for what you are getting. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been JP Baconator, and yeah, Be sure to rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and stay tuned in the next video. Goodbye.